Welcome to a sim code. Hey, you. Want to join me in the world of coding? I promise, it'll be more fun than you think. Hit that subscribe button and let's create some tech magic together. In Python, lists can be used as stacks, which follow the last in, first out, LIFO principle, meaning the last element added to the stack is the first one to be removed. You can use the append method to push an element onto the stack and the pop method to remove the top element from the stack. The pop method also returns the removed item, allowing you to access it. Lists are dynamic, so you can grow and shrink the stack as needed. For example, this example demonstrates how to use a Python list as a stack, following the last in, first out, LIFO principle. It simulates a stack by using the append method to push elements onto the stack and the pop method to remove and return the most recently added elements. The code begins by adding integers 1, 2, and 3 to the stack, then removes them one by one, printing each value as it is popped. The stack shrinks with each pop operation, and the last element added is always the first to be removed, reflecting the LIFO behavior. This example illustrates how a stack works in a simple, real-world context, like a stack of plates where the top plate is removed first. This code demonstrates how to use a Python list as a stack, LIFO structure. A stack operates under the principle of last in, first out, which means the last item added is the first one to be removed, similar to a stack of plates where you take the top plate first. Initialize an empty list to act as a stack. Stack is a list variable. It is initially empty, and we will use it to store items. In Python, a list is a dynamic collection that can grow or shrink in size. This will be used to simulate the stack functionality. Push elements onto the stack using the append method. The append method adds an element to the end of the list, which is the top of the stack. The append function adds the integer 1 to the stack. Stack now becomes 1. The append function is modifying the list. The type of 1 is int, which is an integer data type. The append function adds the integer 2 to the stack. Stack now becomes 1, 2. We continue adding more elements. The type of 2 is also int. stack now becomes 1, 2, 3. Each call to append adds the element at the end. The type of 3 is int. Pop elements from the stack using the pop method. Pop removes and returns the most recently added element, following the LIFO principle. The pop function removes the last item in the stack, 3. Top underscore element stores the value 3. After this line, stack is now 1, 2. The type of top underscore element is int, since it stores the value 3. Output 3, because we just popped 3 off the stack. The print function displays the value stored in top underscore element 3. It shows the last element added, following LIFO behavior. The stack now looks like this. 1, 2, 3 has been removed, and the stack is smaller. Continue popping elements from the stack. The pop function removes 2, which is the most recently added element. Next underscore element stores the value 2. After this line, stack is now 1. The type of next underscore element is int, since it stores the value 2. This prints the value stored in next underscore element. The stack now looks like this. 1, 2 has been removed, leaving 1. One last pop operation to remove the remaining element. The pop function removes 1, the only remaining element. Final underscore element stores the value 1. After this line, stack is now empty. The type of final underscore element is int, as it stores the value 1. Output 1 because we popped the last element from the stack. This prints the value stored in final underscore element, which is 1. Now, the stack is empty. All elements have been removed. The stack has followed the LIFO, last in, first out principle. 1. The last item added 3 was the first to be removed. 2. The second last item added 2 was removed next. 3. The first item added 1 was the last to be removed. In real life, this is like a stack of books. The book you place last on top is the first one you take off. If you keep adding more books, you always take the top one first, just like how we are managing the stack here. Key points. Now run our code. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more fun and exciting content.